Take a look at this beautiful tiny house. At first glance, it feels simple, almost modest. But the more you look at it, the more details start to stand out. The exterior is wrapped in clean, pastel pink, horizontal wooden siding, giving it that fresh, modern house vibe. It's bright, it's minimal, and honestly, it just feels peaceful. The compact structure is perfectly balanced. Nothing feels overcrowded, nothing feels unnecessary. Every line and edge is intentional. And then there's the roof, slightly sloped, practical, and designed to handle different weather conditions while still maintaining that sleek profile. What I personally love is how approachable this house feels. It doesn't try too hard, it's not screaming for attention, but somehow it still gets it. The windows are placed thoughtfully, allowing natural light to flow inside while keeping the overall design symmetrical and clean. And even though it's a tiny home, it doesn't feel cramped from the outside. It actually feels inviting, like a space where life slows down just a little bit. Now, moving along to the side and back of the house, you'll notice the same white horizontal siding continues all around, keeping the design consistent and cohesive. There's a simplicity here that works beautifully. No unnecessary decorations, just clean lines and functional design. The windows on the sides help bring in cross-ventilation, which is perfect for maintaining airflow inside such a compact space. It's minimal, but it's smart. And right here, we have this cozy little outdoor sitting area. It may be small, but it's incredibly charming. Imagine starting your morning here with a cup of coffee or winding down in the evening with some fresh air. There's just enough space for a couple of chairs and maybe a small table. Nothing fancy, but more than enough to create a relaxing corner. Add a few plants, maybe some soft lighting, and suddenly this tiny spot becomes one of the best parts of the house. Now let's head toward the main entrance. The door keeps the same clean and minimal design language, simple, modern, and perfectly in sync with the rest of the house. There's something satisfying about how everything matches without feeling repetitive. It's the kind of entrance that quietly welcomes you in without overcomplicating anything. All right, let's step inside. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by this compact yet beautifully arranged living space. Right in front, there's a sleek TV wall, simple, modern, and perfectly positioned as the focal point. Below it, a floating console keeps things clean and uncluttered. To the side, a cozy two-seater sofa invites you to sit down and relax. It's soft, minimal, and fits the space perfectly without overwhelming it. And what really makes this room feel alive is the natural light coming in through the window. Combined with the white wooden walls and light flooring, the entire space feels bright, open, and surprisingly spacious. It's proof that you don't need a lot of space to create something that feels like home. Now, stepping into the bedroom. This space is all about comfort and simplicity. The bed is positioned neatly against the wall, dressed in soft, neutral tones that instantly make the room feel calm and relaxing. There's a small side table beside it, just enough for a lamp, maybe a book, or your phone at night. A compact closet is integrated seamlessly, giving you storage without taking over the room. The window, dressed with light curtains, lets in just the right amount of sunlight, creating a soft, peaceful atmosphere throughout the day. And with a bit of wall art and a few plants, the room feels personal, but never cluttered. It's simple, it's cozy, and honestly, it's everything a bedroom needs to be. Now let's check out the kitchen. And yes, it's small, but it's incredibly efficient. You've got a clean countertop, a built-in sink, and just enough space for cooking your daily meals. The cabinets are sleek and minimal, keeping everything organized and within reach. There's also a window right here, bringing in natural light and making the space feel open instead of tight. And in the corner, a compact refrigerator fits perfectly without interrupting the flow of the design. It's a great example of how smart planning can turn even the smallest kitchen into a functional space. Right outside the kitchen area, there's a small dining setup. It's simple, just enough space for a table and a couple of chairs, but it works perfectly. Whether it's a quick meal, a cup of tea, or even a small workspace, this area adapts to your needs. And again, nothing feels forced. Everything just fits. Finally, we step into the bathroom, and surprisingly, it's more spacious than you'd expect. You've got a clean shower area, a modern sink, and a well-placed toilet, all arranged in a way that maximizes the available space. There's even a laundry setup integrated inside, making it incredibly practical for everyday living. The design stays consistent with the rest of the house, bright, clean, and minimal. It's functional, but still feels comfortable. And just like that, we're back outside this beautiful tiny home. Simple on the outside, smart and cozy on the inside. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tiny house ideas. I'll see you in the next one.